Okay, this is take number 5. I think it's been 5 takes. All right, I'm doing this. I'm going to make this quick because I'm running out of time. I've done so many takes and I've been here 2 hours. I am, this is going to be kind of, I'm hopeful that it'll be good. I don't have my week 15 because I had originally planned to do my, to do the boards today, but I came out to my daughter's dance class without the board. So I had to kind of do some research to go back to week 15 because I bought everything for week 16. Anyway, so we're going to start with science because that's the hardest song. It's a new song. I did not get to do it with the kids because we just recited it. This science lesson is, what is each continent's highest mountains? So here's the first one. Everest in Asia, Aconcagua in South America, Denali in North America, Kilimanjaro in Africa, Elbrus in Europe, Kosciuszko in Australia, and Vinson Massif in Antarctica. What is each continent's highest mountain? And then she goes, to learn them, repeat after me. That's why I wanted to share it because it's an echo song. And then she goes, Everest in Asia. And then you repeat it. Aconcagua in South America. Da, 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 South America. Denali in North America. Denali in North America. Kilimanjaro in Africa. Kilimanjaro in Africa. Elbrus in Europe. Kosciuszko in Australia. And then you repeat it. Kosciuszko in Australia. Vincent Massif in Antarctica. Vincent Massif in Antarctica. And then she goes, high mountain. So that's science. All right. Woo, that feels like geography, doesn't it? But guess what? Geography is Israel, which includes the Sinai Peninsula, Cairo, Suez Canal, and Gaza Strip. We did show me, tell me. So originally they put a dot with their dry erase marker. Each kid had a map. They put a dot, and most of them colored it in or framed it on each of the places in Israel. Sinai Peninsula, Cairo, Suez Canal, and Gaza Strip. Then I had them do like a, red foot green. Right foot green, left hand yellow. I said, put your thumb on the Suez Canal, put your index finger on Gaza Strip, and put your pinky on Cairo. And it was really interesting. They had a good time. They said their fingers were stiff. But then I would ask them, okay, show me Israel. Show me the Sinai Peninsula. So we did a show me, tell me. All right, that's geography. For science, we just did science. Math, metric measurements, my favorite one. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. No, 10 millimeters equals 1. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. No, that's not right. Wait. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1. Gosh, my mind is not, because I don't have my phone, I can't remember. All right, so it's 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. And 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Kilometer. Father, help me. Bring it back to my remembrance. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So it's something like that. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter equals 1 meter. 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. There you go. We did that fast. We did it slow. We did it again and again and again. I had one child do it. I had a group do it. I had them come up and do it. So that's how math went. All right, so we did geography, science, math. History. Oh, gosh. In the 1400s, Prince Henry of, Prince Henry of Portugal. Okay, so the 1400s. I didn't do anything about the 1400s. So in the 1400s, Prince, I just had them put their crown on. Prince Henry of Portugal. If you look at Portugal, if you look at the shape of the country of Portugal, it's this way. It actually looks like a face. So to say Portugal, and I actually looked this up. This is how some deaf people do it. They literally go, boo, boo, boo. That's the sign for Portugal. There are many of them. That's just one. And it probably isn't the official one, but it actually works. Check out the country of Portugal, and you'll see that it looks like the profile of a face. Even Avery, when we're reviewing at home, she uses my method, and she thought that was quite cool. So it's Prince Henry of Portugal founded the School of Navigation. Navigation. You're going to take your scope out, and you're going to look. Navigation. And his work advanced European exploration and trade. So exploration and trade, including the slave trade. So it goes, and I'm doing this all from memory. In the 1400s, Prince Henry of Portugal founded the School of Navigation, and his work advanced European exploration and trade, including the slave trade. And then it repeats again, including the slave trade. And that's what we did. When I did it in class, I have to be honest, I thought the song was miserable. I didn't like it. But I've done it with, when we review at home, I do the same thing with my daughter that I do with your kids. So I've actually grown fond of the song all of a sudden, because now I kind of got the rhythm of it. So that's our history sentence. And then our English, we're in helping verbs. We only did the first part. We did the song last week, but we're going to do, and moving forward, I'm going to have signs and the full song, which includes the helping verbs, for 5 weeks, 4 weeks that go along with the song. At any rate, here's the song. Helping verb helps another verb assert action, being, or existence. When you do existence, you're just going to stand still. And then it says helping verbs make lots of sense. Helping verb, do, does, did. That's as far as we got today on Monday. Do, does, did, because there are only 3 that's shared per week. But there are at least 3, 6, 9, 12. There are 12 more. You can go by. You're fine. You're good. So there's 12 more. And good to see you, by the way. So there's 12 more. And coming up this week, we're going to have the signs for all 15 of them. So that's the helping verb song for English. And then, of course, Latin. And I was trying to remember the Latin. The first A without the line or hyphen over it, I guess I'll call it. I don't know what that is. It's a dash over it. That A is interpreted, it sounds like up. So it's and then AE is I. I have a sheet which has all the information, the detailed icons that give the kids hints. So the A without the hyphen is like up. I, with the tongue depressor. With the hyphen, it says like having, when you go to the doctor and the doctor puts a tongue depressor on and says, say So it's as in up. Is that? Oh, that's without it. So that's A-U. Arum. That's So it's O-O. With the M on it, it's No. It's A-M is like up, the and then the So it's So it's I, 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 singular first declensions. Then it's I, arum. So it's A, the sound, and the U is like O, like room. Arum, is. The AE is is. No, the EI or AI. Forgive me. You know it. You have your foundations guide. I know what it sounds like because I can see it. I can see in my mind the picture of the geese beside whatever the two letters are. So, but anyway, it's so it's the plural first declensions. I, arum, is, as, is, I, arum, is, as, is, I, arum, is, as, is, plural first declensions. So that's Latin. And again, I use my little sheet, a cheat sheet, which has the icons right next to the letters so that I immediately can tell the kids what they are, and I look really smart. So, and then last but not least, timeline. The timeline, we did like we normally do. We did the first 5, and I did not get to pull any cards away. They just repeated it. They repeated it fast. We sung it with the song. They repeated it again. We did it 7 times, and it went well. So that's it. Forgive me for not being more prepared, but if I can do this without my cards, then as the lead learner in the classroom, that should show you should have a fantastic time doing this with your kids using the same methods that I have. So you guys have a wonderful week. See you on week 16. We're getting closer to the end of the year. These days are passing fast. Be blessed, and I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye.